we're going to do some belly breathing with our imaginary balloon. So we can use this for helping us calm down. We might be feeling really hyper, or we might feel a little bit upset maybe. So any times when we need to calm down. So you can do this lying down or sitting up. Now the most important part, we need to choose our balloon. Okay, so we can close our eyes, choose the colour, choose the shape. I've chosen mine. What colour have you chosen? Nice. Okay, so I'm going to choose turquoise, and I think I might just go for a standard balloon shape. Hope it's not too boring. Okay, so we are now going to place our hands on our bellies, and we're going to breathe in through our nose. And as we breathe in, we're going to inflate our balloon, and our belly's going to get bigger. Make it as big as you can. And then as we exhale, you can exhale through your nose or your mouth, and we're going to deflate the balloon, make our belly smaller. Okay, so let's do a practice run. So hand on the belly, and let's see how big your balloon can get. Let's do a big inhale and exhale. Okay, so we're going to do this 4 times, and I will keep the count for you. Okay, let's go. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. And breathing out. Breathe in. And breathe out. And final breath in. And breathe out. That's really good. How did that make you feel? Made me feel definitely calmer. So if you ever need to do that again, then you know what to do. Breathing in, making the balloon bigger, and breathing out, deflating the balloon.